Color season this, color season that. You guys hear me yapping on in so many of my videos, but what is the actual importance of knowing your color season? Well, if you want to find out my top 6 tips for why knowing your color season is super important and why you should be trying to wear your best colors as often as possible, make sure to keep on watching the video, and as always, watch until the end for a very surprising last final tip. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome for those of you who are new. My name is Isabella and I'm a certified image consultant and fashion enthusiast. In today's video, I will be talking all about why it's so important to know your color season and try to pick out your best colors accordingly. Because a lot of us don't realize just beyond the aesthetic, it can have so much of an impact on your life and the things and opportunities that present themselves to you. So let's go ahead and start by getting into the video. So if any of you are new to my channel and you don't know what a color season is, essentially a color season is a category that you are going to belong to, whether it's autumn, winter, spring, or summer, that is going to present you with your most flattering colors, whether they are bright fun colors or more neutral colors. In general, you're gonna get your color season based off of your undertone, whether you're warm or cool, and also based off of your physical characteristics such as your eye color, hair color, and the other details that really make up your unique appearance. So essentially, before knowing how your color season can change your appearance, you actually have to know what it is. So if you guys want to learn more on how to find your color season, I will leave a playlist down below in the description and you can go ahead and binge on all my videos to find out what your color season is. But first, make sure to watch this video before you go ahead and do that. So my second reason it's so important to know your color season and how it can be life-changing is how it really is a game changer for confidence. And we all know that when we step out the door and we're not dressed our best, we're not feeling our best, we're not going to be as confident as we can and as we should be. So basically, when you know your best colors and you try to incorporate those into your wardrobe, you're gonna have those moments where people look at you and say, wow, you look amazing, you're glowing in that color, you're glowing in that dress, that color really suits you. And not to say it's just compliments from people, but just how you kind of radiate is going to be different. You're gonna be shining, you're gonna be glowing, and I think knowing your best colors and wearing them just gives you that little edge over everyone else who might feel a little bit tired during the day and like they're not looking their best. So essentially, when we know our best colors, we are going to look less tired, we're not gonna have the dark circle effect, and we're really just going to be confident and ready to take on our day. So far, if you are enjoying the video, if you're getting some value out of it, I would really appreciate if you could go ahead and click the like button. It helps out my channel. It lets the algorithm know I have some good content going on. All right, that's it. We can go ahead and get back into the video. So this third tip is especially useful for us youth, those people who don't have big budgets to just splurge on to create the wardrobe of their dreams. And this is knowing your color season will help save you time, money, and the stress of shopping. So essentially what happens a lot of the time when people go shopping, they don't have any colors in mind. They don't even have styles in mind. So what happens is we end up buying colors that look great on the hanger and maybe great on your best friend or your neighbor, but they don't look the best on you. So these clothes end up sitting in the wardrobe, they take up space, they take up mental energy, and you never wear them. So at the end of the day, they're just like a huge waste of money. So if you know your color season, you're going to have a general idea of what colors to look for when you go shopping, making the process a little bit more straightforward. You're going to be very decisive in the type of items that you get, and then you're gonna definitely notice that as you go to get dressed, you actually pick up these items and wear them on a weekly basis. Next time before you shop, just think about whether that color looks the best on you or whether you should go for another one. So the fourth tip for how knowing your color season can change your life is it's going to help you create a more cohesive wardrobe. And all of us know the pain of looking in our wardrobe and seeing that we have plenty of clothes, but very weirdly nothing to wear. And just having a cohesive wardrobe means that all of the pieces, while they can be very different colors, styles, and textures, they all somehow work together in harmony, in unison, and can be easily mixed and matched. So this is a very important aspect that's honestly gonna make your life way easier, and also just really provide a very straightforward framework for how you build a wardrobe that's going to last you for the years to come. So after doing this, you'll notice that everything is very easily styled together, and you're gonna find yourself creating amazing outfits that you never thought you could create in the past. This life-changing tip of knowing your color season to create a more cohesive wardrobe has been something that has really leveled up my fashion game in the past couple of years. So I think you should definitely try it too. So we've talked about clothes, fashion, style, but what about makeup? And this brings us to our 5th tip for how knowing your color season can change your life, and this is, it will help transform your makeup routine. For those of you who are not new to my channel, you have seen my past videos that have been very popular on how to find the right makeup for your color season. By knowing your color season, you're going to be able to find your most flattering shades of foundation that match your undertone, and also along with that, lip colors, eyeshadow colors, blush, mascara, eyeliner, you name it. Color season is definitely connected to any single makeup item you can put on your face. So for example, if you are a winter, you are going to want to stay away from very warm makeup colors and instead opt for cooler makeup colors. On the other hand, if you're a spring or autumn, you're gonna wanna stick with the warm shades and the warm undertones, and this will really make a big difference when you go to do your makeup routine in the morning, whether it's a very simple routine or a more extravagant routine. You're really gonna just be able to make your makeup routine so much easier by knowing your best shades based on your color season. I know it has definitely helped me. I also take better pictures too. You're gonna show up better when you take that selfie, when you make that reel. You'll be ready for social media. They won't even know what hit them. And finally, for the last tip, this is such an important one that a lot of people don't think about, and it's definitely more on the psychological side. And this is how knowing and dressing for your color season can boost your mood and energy. Wearing the right colors can boost your mood and, like we talked about, also your confidence. But the wrong ones can leave you feeling a bit drained and, kind of feeling a little bit blue. So basically, wearing your colors is going to be like a little bit of color therapy, but for your wardrobe. When you wear shades that resonate with your natural coloring, you feel more aligned, balanced, and positive. It may sound simple, but the psychological impact of color is real. Wearing the right colors makes you feel more like you and brings out your best self. So when getting dressed, definitely recommend knowing your color season because it's going to put your mind in a totally different place and prepare you for whatever you have to, face in your day, and just make your life overall more positive, vibrant, and in alignment with your true self. So what are some other ways you've noticed that knowing and dressing for your color season have affected your everyday life? Go ahead and let me know in the comments below. I probably missed a couple points here. If you're not yet part of this channel, make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you are notified every time I post, which is once a week. All right, thank you guys so much. This being said, stay safe, stay smart, and stay leveled up. I will see you in my next video. Bye.